I'm Susie with another balloon upgrade idea for you. Today we're talking Valentine's Day, and I've got an air-filled solution with a little bit of helium so that you can save extra money and have more profits for yourself in your store. First, we're going to start off with two 11-inch quads. The bottom quad will need to have a weight inserted into the bottom of it, and this bottom quad I put in 24 pumps each, and the top quad I have 12 pumps each, half and half. There's lots of ways to attach these. You can flip the balloons around. You can do it in numerous ways. Today we're just going to flip them and secure it that way. Okay. Okay. So we have a beautiful Valentine's Day balloon with a matching pre-inflate that I just took the bottom off of. And to adhere these two together, I'm just going to use a little dot. So there's a hole in the center. I'm going to take the inflation valve and just run it through that hole and secure it with one of these dots. Put it right here. Boom. And then to cover the mechanics, I took a 5-inch quad, and I have one pump each in here. And I'll just run it right through where the mechanics would be married together. And have this sit just like this. I've gone ahead of time and taken what they call the sleeping bag roll, and I've just rolled up the inflation valve with a 260. And this is going to sit right in the center with a figure 8 to secure it. What I do on one side, I like to do on the other. Looking good. Okay, now I'm going to use some enhancers of a different kind, and it is going to entail an 11-inch balloon. So take your handy dandy hand pump and give yourself one, maybe 1.5 pumps. And when you tie your knot, just give yourself about a fingernail's width from your knot to the end of the balloon. You have about this much room between the end and the knot. Okay, now the trick is to give this balloon 3 separate chambers of air. So we're going to start off with the neck, and I'll put about 1/3 of the air in there and give it a twist. And then with the other half, I'm going to carefully manipulate that air so that I have about a handful in each hand, and as soon as that's secured, I'm just going to twist it. Now I'm going to take the inflation valve and wrap it around and give this a figure 8 so that's nice and secure, so that you end up with this little 3-way guy here. Now we're going to take a spare 160 or 260 and reinforce that with another figure 8. And a figure 8. And now we can put our little enhancing balls on. I think 2 would be sufficient. And I think that I'm just going to kind of go with the flow of this pattern. It's going to be kind of like an S. So I'm going to highlight this area with 2 of these. And why not add a little bit more? This is a Nice balloon that you can get done ahead of time to show people that you are upping your game as far as balloons go. Everybody's looking for this natural look, and this can be put out on your display weeks ahead of time because of course this will last. And then we have matching balloons to go with this, so you might as well just take a pair of helium inflated ones. Make sure, because of the California state law, that you have a weight on there. And you can just tie this in on the back, do a little figure eight again. And you've got this adorable balloon that actually all goes together. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for joining us here at Mayflower. We really appreciate your business. Stay tuned. We'll have more ideas for you coming soon. Thanks for all your support.